Hey everyone, so today I am making baked salmon and it is divine. Hope you enjoy it. So I have lined my baking sheet with parchment paper and I placed my salmon on top of it. The ingredients, I'm using Bragg's apple cider vinegar, sea salt, and an Italian blend. So first I'm taking the Bragg's apple cider vinegar. I'm going to splash about a tablespoon on each salmon steak. And now I'm going to take the sea salt and sprinkle it on both salmon steaks. Just a little bit. And then I'm taking the Italian seasoning blend that I got. It has marjoram, basil, rosemary, thyme, oregano, savory, and sage. Sprinkle them on both salmon steaks. Now I let the season marinate for at least 20 minutes. The longer you let it marinate, the better the flavor is. But 20 minutes should be good. Now set your oven for 350 degrees and place the salmon steaks to bake for about 35 to 45 minutes depending on your oven. I know every oven is different, but within that time frame, it should be nice and baked. Now it's time to take it out of the oven.